Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can change the color of the bike. This one is pink and obviously it's for a girl, so we're gonna make a color which is more suitable for a guy. So here I want to show you a little closer what's the situation of the bike. Here, this handles needs to be replaced. Here. So first of all, we are going to remove all the stickers, and then we're gonna wash it very nicely, the tires and everywhere, so that the paint will stick nicely. If you have a heating gun like this, it's going to be a much easier job because the sticker is very hard to remove, and it's pretty inexpensive. If you want to buy it, just keep it at home in case you will need for another job. Here's the heating gun and here's the bicycle. So I'm gonna show you what to do with the gun. Yes, here 1 and 2, the power. I'm gonna put it on 2 and it turns on, so you will not hear my voice. I'm just gonna show you how to do it. So kind of this way, not too close and not too far, and just make this kind of movement, and then the metal kind of starts to get hot a bit, and then just you go with your nail easily. It's coming, just be careful, and it's coming fully because I did it fully on the area. So I'm gonna do the same with the other stickers. Alright, nice and clean. So here we go with the second. And here it's coming out just like the other one after you heat it up for a while, and it's coming out. Okay, there's a bit left, but I will just do the same thing, and then there you go. Then I will just remove all the others. You see there's one here, one here. Let's just be careful because it's plastic, so it may melt, so be careful with that. Now I'm gonna take it out, and here you go. Now it's coming out. So here we can see some stains that are left over after removing the sticker, maybe because it was too hot and the color just stayed under, but it doesn't really matter because it's in the surface. The surface is smooth, so we're just gonna paint on top. So here's the bike where everything, all the stickers were removed. What we're gonna do next, we're gonna wash it, especially, for example, here you see dirt here on the pedals and the tires. because we're gonna paint everything, and you know, the cleanest it is, the better for the paint to stick. So we're gonna wash it and we'll see. Also, there are these parts here, these rubber parts, which are in very bad shape, 1 and 2, so I decided to replace them. It's very cheap to order them online. Just they're not coming out, they're stuck. This is still glue, so I decided my chances with the heating gun again, to make it hot and then remove it. And as you can see the difference from the normal rubber after being heated up, it starts to kind of melt, but it's also much easier with the simple screwdriver to just remove it. So I'm gonna again heat it up. And then scratch it, and it's coming nicely. See how easily it peels off. So with this part, I heated it up with the heating gun. That's why I made all these small bubbles, you see, because you go all around. And then just go with the screwdriver like this, and it opens up fully. You can remove it in one piece. See that? And there you go. It came out nicely in one part. Just need to clean this up, but it's perfect. Here you can see a bit of rust, and you can do it with some sandpaper like this one. 80, you see 80 is good because it's the most rough. And then you just rub it here. See, as an example, I'm showing you this part, and then I will show you after it's sanded. And here are other parts that require sanding, and you can see here, this is a bit bad. We'll see what we can do. Okay, so here I want to show you after sandpaper all the metal parts. The rust is gone. See, all the rust is gone. And I did basically all the metal parts in the bike. Here I show you before. This would be better if you remove the seat and do it fully, which I will do, but when I take it out before painting the seat. And here it was a big mess. Now from all these sticks, the rust is gone. There's still a stain under the rust, but it doesn't matter. And also this part I sanded, and it looks much nicer than it was. Was a huge rust in there, and now it's like new. So this is how you prepare all the metal parts. Here is what I have. I bought this spray paint, the dark gray for the main body of the bike, some blue to make some accent, meaning some parts I will make in blue. Then I have black, which is for the tires mainly, and then I got some chrome for the metal parts. Here I have some masking tape. A mask would be advisable if you don't want to breathe the paint, and then some plastic gloves. I have prepared the bike. Here I put the masking tape because I'm going to start from the tires and make them black. 1 and 2. Clean all the bike so it's ready for paint. Next step is to protect the parts that were already painted, so the tires. I've reused the same tape, that's why you may not notice, but because it's black it was painted on top. So it's that tape. Then I put tape all around the tire, same on the pedals, so that I can paint this metal part. Same there. And same thing here. Here I've put it in. Now we still have that area which is visible, but that I'm going to cover with the tape, and then we can basically paint all this metal without touching the part behind. I've covered all this area, all around here, here, because I'm going to make the same color here, the interior of the wheel, but also these metal parts, and I'm gonna paint everything chrome, and this part as well, which is holding the wheel, which I removed. This one would be easy to unscrew, but then it would be loose, so at this point I'm gonna keep it in place for the time I paint it, then I will remove it. This is the final result. The chrome looks very nice. and all around. With this wheel, I'm going to take it out because it's fairly easy. It's just unscrewing this bolt and this other one. Here is the front wheel that I took out. It's just easier to paint it like this, and as you can see, it's not even touching the other face, so I can do both sides, at one time. Here it is, fully painted. This is some decoration from the bike that was in front. Here we have the rear wheels. This is what they look like now. I guess I'm gonna do the other face when it's dry. One of the most difficult parts is actually this part here, which is all in between other stuff. So the wheel is covered. Now I put all this tape around it, and this piece of paper I stick to cover the back part. So isolated. You kind of need to make a plan from which direction you will spray. Here's the result. Seems pretty nice. I sprayed from here all the here. Hopefully the wheel was covered enough so it didn't get any glue. I also wanted to paint this part, and I realized that I would just do it, this white plastic. I'm gonna make blue also the other side of this cover. I have now isolated all this part, this plastic, by putting all this paper around so that they would block any paint from going to the back. I am now ready to paint the body of the bike, so I have sealed this metal part, because we'll paint all this part around, then all this part here, there, here, all this part here, then from the bottom here I've sealed everything so that we can paint this metal, this part, and all the bottom. Same on this side. we're going to paint all the metal here, 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 and there. So here's the bike, and now it's time to remove all tape and put everything back together. Adam, this is your bike. Huh? How much do you like it, Adam? Quanto ti piace la bicicletta? And that's it for today. Press like if you would like more videos, do it yourself videos, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you